Hi, and welcome to the Paper Bunny. In today's video, we'll be talking about King Jim albums. Now, in my Hobonichi 5-year Techo unboxing, I showed these 3 notebooks, which I bought, and I said I'll talk about them in a separate video. And today is that video. King Jim albums are basically sticker organizers, and they come in 3 varieties. I have 2 of those varieties. One is the kind for sticker sheets, so it's just one long sheet per page. Yeah, and I'm using it for my MU transfer stickers like this, because a problem with these MU transfer stickers is that once you have a lot of those sheets, it's kind of hard to find the one you're looking for because they're all on top of each other. So some don't get a lot of use because they're at the bottom of the stack, that kind of thing. So this is what this gray one is for. And then this is the one I've already used. This second kind is a page with 3 pockets each. Does it change? No, it's 3 pockets all throughout. 3 pockets each where you can put large stickers, or in my case, washi cutouts. There's a third kind which I didn't get because I didn't think I'd have very much use for it. But anyway, what prompted me to get these organizers? Well, when I first started collecting stickers and making washi cutouts, I was using this business card holder. So I still use it till now. I've been making use of it to hold down ephemera and stickers, and then closing it, keeping it in place using washi. The not so good thing about using a business card holder this way though is that the pocket is so small that it can't really fit larger stickers. And so that's when I started using these things, which is just an ordinary biscuit tin, and I put in dividers so that I could put different washis per section. So this is actually an example. We have that. I still have it transferred. Here we go. And then I wanted to group some together, and that's why I still have these plastics. And we have washi cutouts. Okay, so you might be wondering why I do washi cutouts. So let me grab an example. I use washi cutouts so I can more easily make layouts like this. The wall, the grass, the girl are all from separate washis, and I collage them together like this. And that is why I store my washi cutouts this way. Like all my people washi together, all my grass washi together. But the problem with storing washi cutouts this way is that it takes up a lot of space. So for example, aside from this one can, I have 1, 2, 3, and then my 4 box, and yeah, all these containers, which really could be just compressed into these. Like these 3 tins all fit into this one King Jim album. So it fits a lot of things into this one album. So yeah, that's why I got these King Jim stickers. That's it for the talking part of this video. For the rest of the video, it'll just be me flipping through the contents of my sticker containers, including my old one, And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.